Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you currently stuck with a phone that is currently locked, or either passcode lock or iCloud lock? Well, this too is the most common issue on iPhones, especially if you have children or you have elderly parents where they forget about their passcode, or even children where they randomly just set a passcode without them knowing and there's no way to unlocking it. Or if you just bought a phone from the secondhand marketplace and it came with an iCloud lock because the previous owner forget to sign up their account, and then after that when they reset the phone and pass it to you, you are faced with this iCloud lock issue. But don't worry about it anymore, because today I'm going to show you a way that you guys can actually unlock all this issue, and I personally use it and try it and test it with myself, alright, and I am using it my phone without any issue at all. So what is the software I'm talking about? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Tenorshare For You key, and this is one of my go-to software whenever I have issues or my friends or family have issues with their iPhone. This will be the one I go to. So personally, I have an iPhone 12 Pro that has been iCloud locked. It's because I bought a phone from the secondhand marketplace, and when I tried to set it up, I was faced with this issue, and I was looking around and I saw this Tenorshare For You key, and I was like, download it and give it a try, and surprisingly, it works really well. And after 9 months of using it, alright, I don't have any issues with my phone, able to sign with my own iCloud account, and as well as I can receive constant update from iOS as well. So this is a really awesome software itself that I'm sharing with you guys. So if you guys are facing any of this problem right now, alright, you guys can use this software to unlock it. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself, what the features it has, followed by a quick demonstration of the whole unlocking process itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so right behind me, this is the software itself, and as you guys can see, it has a lot of features and functionalities. Alright, so you guys can see you can unlock off iOS screen, alright, and as well as removing your iCloud activation lock, which this too is the most common issue I talked about. Alright, they also have other issues that you might be facing, alright, and other features for other issues that you might be facing, like disabling of Find My iPhone, removing your screen time passcode, bypassing of mobile device management, and as well as of removing of Apple ID if you forgot your passcode. So this is really awesome. It includes everything that you need. Alright, it's like an all-in-one iPhone hospital. So anytime you have problems with your iPhones, friends or family, you guys can use this software to help them. So today we're going to talk about how to unlock your phone. Well, this is very simple, right? For unlocking your iOS screen or removing your iCloud activation lock, it is the same thing. Alright, all you guys have to do is just to click on start on either one of them. Alright, you guys can see, alright, my phone has already been connected and detected is my iPhone SE, which my friend is having problem with the passcode lock itself. Alright, and you can see, alright, does it support? Yes, and you can download the firmware to which one and just click on download. Alright, so once you download it, just follow some on-screen instructions to get the whole unlocking process itself. So you don't have to do anything, just have to sit back, relax, click a few simple click on button, right, and you're good to go. So right now I'm going to show you guys the unlocking footage itself, so you guys can see what the whole process itself that I did before. So because now the phone is already unlocked, so I won't be demonstrating right now, but I'll show you the pre-recorded footage of the whole unlocking process, so you guys can see how simple and how straightforward the unlocking process is. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is my iPhone, and I've tried many times, and it becomes unavailable and asks me to try again in 1 minute. So right now, the first thing first I have to do is to get my phone into recovery mode. Alright, so how do you do that? Is just connect my iPhone into computer. Alright, and after that, just press the volume up button and the volume down button plus the power button, alright, to get your phone into recovery mode. As you guys can see right here, alright, just hold on to the power button. Alright, and after that, you'll get into this mode right here. If you see this screen, alright, just connect, then just go back to the software itself, click on start, and after that, choose a path you want it to download to, the firmware download to, and after that, just click on download. Alright, and from here, you will say firmware downloading. At this time, you just need to sit back, relax, and just let it download. And once the download is finished, alright, you will say firmware downloaded successfully. Afterwards, you just need to click on start to remove, and after that, you will start to remove the screen lock. And your phone should reboot a few times with Apple logo showing a slider. Alright, it doesn't need to wait for a while until the whole process is done. This thing takes a bit longer, about 4 to 5 minutes, and after it's done, you will say remove complete, just click on done, and you will just say reset complete, and you can go to your phone, and there is no passcode. And here it asks me to create a new passcode, so there is no more passcode, and I can set up my own new passcode. I can reset my phone or do whatever I want to it. So yeah, this is how easy and straightforward it is just to get your iPhone unlocked in less than 5 or 10 minutes time. So yeah, this is the whole demonstration process itself. Okay, so first thing first, I have to connect the iCloud lock phone to my PC, and after that, on the software itself, just click on remove iCloud activation lock. From here, just click on start, and you enter your phone into recovery mode. So your phone will reboot into recovery mode, and this is where the step you have to put your phone into DFU mode. You just follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, for mine, I will just need to press the power button and the volume down button, and after releasing the power button while holding down the volume down button. Alright, and after a while, alright, there's also a countdown on the software itself, and after that you will say the device is currently jailbreaking. So you just need to wait patiently for you to do the jailbreaking process. At this point, you don't have to do anything at all. Alright, your phone will reboot a bit. After that, you'll say jailbreak succeeded. Once again, you just have to put it back into DFU mode again. Just follow on screen instruction, and after that, you will say removing iCloud activation lock. And this part as well, you don't have to do anything. Just take a sip of coffee, sit back, relax, read some books, and after that, you'll say removal complete, and just click on done. Alright, and if you still see this iPhone lock to owner message after it's successfully unlocked, don't worry and don't panic, because this is just a glitch. And after that, you guys can just set up your phone as per normal, and there won't be any of the iCloud activation lock on it anymore. So you guys can see, welcome to iPhone, and I'm in my phone right now. So that is how easy it is just to get your iPhone unlocked in less than 5 minutes time. Alright, so as you've seen from the whole unlocking process itself, it's very straightforward, very simple. Just click a few simple buttons, sit back, relax, get a cup of coffee, and you're good to go. And you guys can start using your phone within 15 minutes time. And the best part about this is you don't have to go to any third-party service provider where they will charge you 3 to 4 times the amount, and as well as you have to travel back and forth, to get your phone unlocked. So this is the most easiest and the most straightforward way to do so. You guys can save a ton of money, get ready to use your phone in less than 15 minutes time, and you guys can sit at the comfort of your own home in front of a desktop or your laptop, and you can do the whole process yourself without any issue. So yeah, if you have seen from the whole demonstration and you want to get your phone unlocked right away, well, you guys can check out this Tenorshare for your key. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go and check it out and get it for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you found this video really interesting and really helpful and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your phone model as well, so people can know what phone has it been unlocked from. Alright, so once again, check out this Tenorshare for your key and start unlocking your phone right away. You guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.